Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to save a Pandas data frame to a CSV file in Python. I have written this sample program in which I have made up some data and I have stored that data into a dictionary called data, and then I have converted this data dictionary into a data frame, and then I'm printing the data frame. Let's run this program. So I'm going to click on this drop down and click on run Python file. There you go. There we have our data frame. It has two columns, name and age, and there are 5 records. This is the index. So there we have our data. Now we have to export this data to a CSV file. So in order to export this data frame, we are going to simply write tf dot, and then we are going to make use of the to_CSV function. This is the function that is going to save this data frame into a CSV file. We are going to use brackets. Within double quotes, we will write the name of the file. Let's write student.csv. Student.csv is the file that will be created containing this data, and it will hold the data of this data frame. As its second parameter, we are going to write index equals to false, because we don't want this index to appear inside the CSV file. And I want you to take a good look inside our project folder. Currently, there is no student.csv file. So let's run this program and see what happens. Awesome. You can see student.csv has been created. Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's open it. And there you go. It contains the data of our data frame. 2 columns, 5 rows. Now you saw that when we used the to_CSV function, it created the file student.csv within the project folder. But what if you want your data to be saved to a different location? Let's say desktop or any other folder. The trick is simple. Go to the folder where you want to save your CSV file and get its location from here. Copy it, go back to your program and paste it over here before student.csv. Now you will have to include a backslash over here in order to make sure that your path remains intact. And before the double quotes start, type R, because R before quotes makes the path a raw string, so Python treats backslashes normally instead of interpreting them as a special escape characters. Now, are we ready? Before that, let me show you there is no student.csv file on my desktop. So let's run the program. I'm going to click on this drop down and click on run Python file. There you go. It executed successfully. Now let's check if the file student.csv has been created on my desktop. So I'm going to minimize this and there you go. Let me open it. Awesome. This holds our data frame's data. Amazing. And this is how you save a Pandas data frame to a CSV file. In other words, this is how you export a Pandas data frame into a CSV file. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to save a Pandas data frame to a CSV file from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.